Hey there from Bugeye, and welcome to our video this week of a really cool sort of hot rod Bugeye. It has a hard tonneau and a little mini soft tonneau next to it, so you have a single seat version with a head pillow and a head fairing, color matched of course, and then these really beautiful Brooklyn screens. Those are some nice English made pieces and an elevated mirror, and it has a Judson supercharger on a 948 engine. So this is kind of like a period hot rod. It was built by a great restorer on the West Coast. He did it his way. He wanted to interpret this car in his exact custom, sort of a 60s custom tricked out Bugeye way, and it's really cool. And it sounds great, of course. There's an Abarth period twin tip muffler. Even that muffler is just a beautiful component in and of itself. And then he's got stopwatches and a whole bunch of gauges and switches and Sebring lights in the front. And it's just a lot of fun to play with this car. The hard tonneau has been removed for this video so you can better see the cockpit. But for a lot of people, I think they'd leave that single seat mode set up full time. And of course you have the option of putting a traditional windshield, an original Bugeye windshield frame on this car, totally adaptable, and then you could put windshield wipers and use it as more of a traditional Bugeye, if you will. And then this is an original 948 engine, the correct original engine for the car. It is modified with this Judson supercharger and an aluminum radiator, an electric cooling fan. We have disc brakes on the front, and it's a lot of fun to drive. Here you can see me looking in the mirror. This one more commercial for watching your tail end here at, this is Main Street, so I'm watching to make sure no one's going to hit me from behind. You see some cars coming down the right shoulder. Very important to just remind everyone in all these old cars you need to be checking your mirrors very religiously. And we just have to always drive as though nobody sees us. It's just, we don't have all the high impact crash gear of a modern car, and it's particularly important, and also to save these wonderful cars. And yes, you'll see me blow through, sort of glide through a few stop signs, but I'm particularly careful about rear end, just paying attention to that risk of rear end hits. Anyway, this particular car is a very special car for the right person looking for sort of a radical interpretation of a Bugeye. This is a cool one. It's an excellent job. You'll see the engine bay and the Judson supercharger in a minute in some stills, and you can see more on the Bugeye Guy website. This is me being a courier for a box for one of our customers. It goes from Branford to Springfield, Massachusetts for priority mail. And that's what we have this week from Bugeye Guy, the ultimate mail delivery feeder vehicle from BugeyeGuy.com.